Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making chicken whole spices. Yeah, we are using only whole spices for this chicken. So first we make a paste by adding 12 clove of garlic, 1 inches of chopped ginger, 4 green chili and 1 medium size coarsely chopped onion. Now we are adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and adding a little water and making it a fine paste. Now take a pressure cooker, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, normal refined oil, spread all over the pressure cooker. Now in a pressure pan add whole spices. So take approximately 3 cloves, 1.5 inches of cinnamon, little bit mace, 2 to 3 cardamom, a small piece of star anise, 1 brown cardamom, 4 to 5 black pepper and little bit stone flour, 1 bay leaf and cook it on a low flame for approximately half a minute so the flavor of all the whole spices come on oil. Now grate little bit of nutmeg and cook it for further 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 1 medium size finely chopped onion and cook onion with whole spices till it brown. So our onion is brown. Now add the masala paste and cook the masala paste with onion and whole spices till oil separates. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Once your masala is cooked, then add chicken, put gas on high flame and cook it for further 2 minutes on high flame, continuously stirring. Once your chicken is half done, add salt to taste and cook it for another 1 minute. After 3-4 minutes, add little water for gravy, approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, your chicken whole spice is ready to eat.